Lumipad na ako, kunin niya yung money.
Let's go, buddy. Buddy flies over. And he gets the money and flies back. And I think Buddy will donate the money. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? No? Well, now you know your money will go a long way. We are very grateful. Thank you so much. You may not take us here for the rest of the show. 2,000 pesos this time. No more? Are you okay? You sure? You look so sad. Well, please come back here. Just kidding. It's just part of the show. That's part of the money. Now, Buddy is saying something. Before Buddy takes your money back, we want to take a lot. It's right here. You want to give some right for your cheek. Kiss. There you go.
One more kiss.
Now, open your hands. Just open your mouth. Look at the camera and smile. And there is your money. Round of applause for Volunteer and Buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you have seen our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of bird here in the Ocean Park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. Third raptors is the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flight. They also have powerful talons and beaks. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to the left presently. Our brownie guy, here comes Speed. Brownie guy is commonly known as Helias torquetus, one of over 140 species of birds of prey around the world. These birds are found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, China, and here comes Shadow. They are locally known as Lawi or Bandung in Visayas region. Everyone, here comes our chickens. Wow, look at that. And as you see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons is an Here's an ocean park, we believe there was hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also for those who are not taking care as well. Now guys, who knows what we are? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. So once again, here's another verse to show us how to use this cool stuff.
Ayun ako. Honey, look. Oh. Lawin.
See, if our lovers can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you all enjoy our show. Our birds get happy
Later.
well, in our own way, the warehouse of the airport
chicken.
has been actually seeing them.
Ay, hindi pala chicken, bird pala yun. Pigeon
Please,
pala.
let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only home
After
with
yung bird,
God.
si Lion naman, honey.
Now let's present the birds and the cleaners that make the show possible.